Scammers are cunning and relentless, sparing no effort to siphon funds from your bank accounts. Here's how you can protect your savings and checking accounts. Regularly monitor your bank statements and report any suspicious activity immediately. Enable account alerts to receive notifications for large transactions or low balances. Never share your personal identification numbers, PINs, or account details with anyone. Be cautious of unsolicited calls or emails requesting your banking information. Your investment accounts and 401k retirement funds are attractive targets for scammers. Ensure they remain safe with these tips. Utilize strong and unique passwords for your online investment accounts. Enable multi-factor authentication for added security. Review your investment portfolio regularly to detect any unusual activity. Verify the legitimacy of any investment opportunities or offers before committing. Credit and debit cards are prime targets for scammers. Protect yourself with these strategies. Regularly check your card statements for unfamiliar charges. Report lost or stolen cards immediately to your card issuer. Use credit cards for online transactions, offering greater fraud protection. Keep your cards in a secure location to prevent physical theft. Gift card scams are prevalent. Stay safe by following these precautions. Be wary of requests for gift card payments, especially over the phone. Verify the legitimacy of the request with the organization or person supposedly in need. Understand that government agencies and reputable companies do not request payments in gift cards. Scammers may manipulate individuals into making cash withdrawals. Protect yourself with these measures. Confirm the identity of anyone requesting a cash withdrawal or money transfer. Avoid transactions with unknown individuals or unverified sources. Seek a second opinion or advice from a trusted friend or family member before making a cash withdrawal. With the popularity of cryptocurrencies, scammers are also interested. Protect your crypto assets using these tips. Use reputable cryptocurrency wallets and exchanges. Be cautious of unsolicited investment opportunities in cryptocurrencies. Educate yourself about the risks and security measures related to cryptocurrency. Scammers are relentless, and it's vital that we all remain vigilant. For more in-depth knowledge that impacts our lives, like and subscribe to this channel. Also, let us know what you think of the subjects. Until next time, let's us improve our lives one day at a time.